some more simple tap combinations for you. These are so you can practice getting faster and faster, also so you can practice putting arms to them, and if you like them then join them on to other small combination videos and make up a whole routine. Don't forget also, try to change directions within the steps I'm giving you, and then it makes your choreography look so much better. So the first part is heel on one foot, followed by ball heel, toe behind, heel behind. And that's it. It's a really fast combination. So if you can practice it fast, and also you don't need music for all of these because your beats are going to make the music. Heel on one foot, followed by ball heel, toe behind, heel behind. Heel, ball, heel, toe, heel. Then you can continue with the left foot. Heel, ball, heel, toe, heel. Heel, ball, heel, toe, heel. Heel, ball, heel, toe, heel. Then you can continue with the left foot. Heel, ball, heel, toe, heel. Heel, ball, heel, toe, heel. Heel, ball, heel, toe, heel. Now you can continue again using the right foot again for the heel or the left foot. Let's do it with the right foot. Heel, ball, heel, toe, heel. So you could do this going around in a circle. Heel, ball, heel, toe, heel. Heel, ball, heel, toe, heel. Heel, ball, heel, toe, heel. Or you could continue it on the other foot. So right, left, right, left. Heel, ball, heel, toe, heel. 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 And you want to get that really fast. Why not combine the two? Do some going round and some stopping and changing to starting on the left foot. Let's try that. Heel, ball, heel, toe, heel. Heel, ball, heel, toe, heel. Now we're going to change to the left foot. Heel, ball, heel, toe, heel. And back to the right foot. Heel, ball, heel, toe, heel. So play around with that one, and as I say, get it really fast, particularly if you're going part round and then changing, starting with the left foot, back to the right foot and going round again. So you could complete a whole circle, but halfway round, stop and change feet. So have fun with that one. Let me know in the comments if you like that one, and look out for more combinations and see what you can make with them. Do send me the videos of you doing them with your arms as well. I want to see what arm creations you can make with this combination. Examples of some arm combinations. High coordination to the side, low coordination to the side, folded, diagonal, folded arms in front, where we take one arm up. Remember, if you change directions, you change arms. Same as diagonal, when you're going the opposite way, change arms. You could have third position in front, high V, low V. There's also many other arm positions, and I do have videos of other tap arm positions you could use. So these are just some examples for you to use in your combinations if you're not sure what you can use. Don't forget to add clicks and claps if you're stopping for a second in between for a breather, or if you're doing it with music, then of course your phrasing of music might be different to your combination. And how to get it faster? Well, instead of counting one count for each movement, count and 1 and 2 and 3. So you've got less time to create those movements and put more movements within the count. So instead of 1, 2 for 2 steps, such as ball heel would be 1, 2, you count them and 1. So where, for example, Ball Hill, you would count 1, 2 if you're doing slow tap. To get it faster, you count and 1. So we haven't even got to 2. So that's how you get tap dancing faster. You just do more steps within the counts. Till next time, as always, happy dancing.